Alright, so this is what I'm into right now. Dryer not heating. So she says she turned it on and it'll function like normal, it just don't heat. So I've determined this part is bad. Got my meter. So this part, high limit, is not closing. Alright, so I've temporarily bypassed it just to make sure. And got a thermometer in the back. So I've got the dryer vent unplugged just to make sure that it wasn't too caked up, and it's not too bad. Just a little. Yep. That's a lot better. Blowing out a ton of dust. Smell the burning of the dust. Yeah. All right. So we have a bad limit. All right. There's a supply house. Got the parts. I'm just going to replace both limits. Alright, so I got the new limits in, and I have cleaned out, scraped out a bunch of lint from inside, everywhere I could reach. So that's a bit better in there now. So now all I need to do is put this back together and fire it up. Alright. So far, seem okay. But, so I've got it all hooked up, all the safeties back in. This backup, I just replaced it as well. Dang, that looks a lot brighter on camera than it does in person. But, a simple, easy fix.